Diabetes mellitus is due to the deficiency or problem of which hormone? So let's just review what all of these hormones are for, and then we could discuss the role of the pathophysiology of diabetes so we can understand what should be the correct answer here. So just this general idea of each hormone, we know that insulin is the hormone which reduces blood glucose levels. So reduces, we'll put PGL. Vasopressin, this is the hormone which is also known as antidiuretic hormone or ADH. So we know that diuretic hormone would be what allows fluids to leave the body. So if it's anti, it's the opposite. So it's the retention of fluids. So the reduced amount of elimination from the body. Cortisol, this is the stress hormone. It's pro-inflammatory and it helps to increase blood glucose during stressful activity or during certain types of conditions where it needs to be increased. So we'll put stress hormones. And then thyroxine, this is a type of thyroid hormone. So thyroid, and this is part of the metabolism process. So if we go back to diabetes mellitus, the pathophysiology of diabetes is that the body has trouble controlling blood glucose levels, so the blood glucose rises. So there's too much blood glucose in the bloodstream, there's too much of it. And why is this? It's because there's a deficiency of the ability for the body to make use of this glucose to go into the cells as needed for energy, so it just builds up in the bloodstream. And the reason for this is because you don't have any insulin production, or depending on the type, maybe you have just not enough, or the body can't make use of the insulin. So insulin would be what decreases blood glucose levels, but if you're deficient in it, then we can't do that, and that's what happens in diabetes mellitus. So that's why, looking at these choices, insulin would be the correct answer for this question of what is deficient in diabetes mellitus.